Hello and welcome to Brilliant POV. In today's rapidly advancing technological landscape, artificial intelligence is becoming more powerful than ever before, leading to concerns that it may replace human jobs. One such AI tool is OpenAI's ChatGPT, which has been used for a variety of tasks, including writing cover letters, creating children's books, and even helping students cheat on their essays. In this video, we will explore the top 10 job roles that are most susceptible to being replaced by AI and examine the potential impact on these industries. One of the sectors that AI is most likely to affect is the technology industry. Tech jobs such as software developers, web developers, computer programmers, coders, and data scientists are among the most susceptible to AI replacement. This is because AI can crunch numbers with relative accuracy and produce code faster than humans. However, some experts believe that AI will enhance these roles rather than replace them. Another industry that could be impacted is the media sector. Roles in advertising, technical writing, journalism, and any position that involves content creation may be affected by AI. AI tools like ChatGPT are capable of reading, writing, and understanding text-based data well. Although AI can write more efficiently than humans, there is still a lot of human judgment required in these roles that cannot be replaced. Jobs in the legal industry, such as paralegals and legal assistants, are also vulnerable to automation. Like media roles, these jobs require individuals to consume a large amount of information, synthesize it, and make it digestible through legal briefs or opinions. Such roles are susceptible to AI replacement because the data is quite structured and language-oriented. AI can also analyze data and predict outcomes, which is why market research analysts may be susceptible to AI-driven change. These roles are responsible for collecting data, identifying trends within that data, and then using that information to design an effective marketing campaign or decide where to place advertising. However, AI can only do some parts of these jobs, and it still requires a degree of human judgment to understand the needs of clients or employers. The education industry is another sector that may be impacted by AI. ChatGPT can already assist in teaching classes, and although it has bugs and inaccuracies, it can be easily trained to improve. Teachers are also concerned about students using ChatGPT to cheat on their homework. The finance industry is also at risk of AI replacement. Financial analysts, personal financial advisors, and other jobs in personal finance that require manipulating significant amounts of numerical data are susceptible to AI. AI can identify trends in the market, highlight what investments in a portfolio are doing better and worse, and use various other forms of data to forecast a better investment mix. Certain Wall Street roles could also be in jeopardy. At investment banks, people are hired out of college and spend 2 to 3 years working like robots doing Excel modeling. However, AI can also do this, leading to possible replacement. AI is even affecting the graphic design industry. AI tools like DALL-E can generate images in seconds, potentially disrupting the graphic design industry. Upskilling individuals in their ability to create and manipulate images will have a profound impact on the economy. Lastly, customer service agents are also at risk of AI replacement. Chatbots may become the main customer service channel for approximately 25% of companies by 2027. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.